So I wanted to do the review on the Piggy paints. So I got an email saying that they had gotten some new glitter colors, and in my mind I thought they were all scented, not realizing that only some of their polishes are scented. And when I went to go get them, it was almost like a buy two get one free plus get free stickers for you, like fake sticker earrings. I think the lady's idea is wonderful for children and, even for your pet, if you want to do your pet's nails. I think the idea is wonderful. But I don't know if this happened because yesterday I dyed my hair, but I wear gloves. But anyway, I was doing the Piggy paint. I was wearing my gloves when I did my hair. And, so I don't know if it was the wash when I washed my hair. I mean, it looks so pretty. When I purchased the new colors, I purchased their base coat and sealant and their top coat. It's weird because I don't know why this is white. It's supposed to be extra, like shiny, and then this be the base coat. It's also because it's water-based, it tends to dry a little too quickly. Like, I feel like I'm not really coating my nail. Like, I got to put it in like 3 times to really get my nail coated. Now, I tried this, and it did make it shiny. It was weird. But I don't know. My nails chipped a little bit the first time I did it, and but it was okay. It was just a tiny little bit. But then when I went to, because 2 coats, I mean, it's a coral color, but 2 coats didn't seem to be enough. So, like, I don't know, maybe a day or 2 later before the video, before today's video, I put polish on it again, and then I put top coat on it again. Last night I went to go do groceries. I wake up, I go to bed, and I see that, like, half of this came off, half of this came off. My nails are blue as well because of my hair. I look like I'm sick or something. I don't know. This happened to me before when I used this blue. But anyway, yeah, you get this for free when you do I think it was the glittery nail polish. And it came with like really bold, really bright colors. And at first I was like, I really didn't want the coral, but it was like you buy 2 get 1 free for the price if you get it as a set. Anyway, these were the 3 colors. And again, I purchased it because I thought it was scented, and it like didn't click that not all her polishes are scented. And so I was checking out her website and realized she has a lot of colors. I think she discontinued a couple of them. Like, I got coconut scented, and I didn't see that there anymore. It looks like she's discontinuing her black too, which has a berry scent. But yeah, so I mean, my review is, I think it's an awesome idea. She worked really hard. I was like looking into her. She like worked really hard to get this off the ground, and again, I think it's excellent. Maybe some people can't handle like the stuff in the real polish, but yeah, I just put it in this little. It was like for Valentine's Day. They have this at HEB, so I just put it in here. But yeah, I feel that, I don't know, at first I was like pleasantly pleased, but then like a couple of days later, this is horrible. My nails are all full of blue. See, this one just chipped some more right now. I don't know. I might get a couple more scented ones, maybe. But I think for now I'm sticking to my regular polish. But I really, really think for kids, you don't want to give them anything toxic. For your pets. For you, if you can't handle a polish, I definitely do recommend it. But I would probably use like a really good top coat. Something that's really going to keep it from chipping. So yeah, so that's my review for the Piggy paints.